So we're going to talk about quotients of polynomials here. So we're dividing variable expressions. However, in this video I don't expect you to already know how to factor, so this is really not for rational expressions. We are just learning initially about dividing polynomials, and we'll get farther along as we go. So if I've got 4x to the third over 5x to the fifth, I'm really just using my exponent rules here. I've got 4/5 times 3 minus 5 is the -2, but don't leave a negative in your answer. It's down here. Hopefully we feel comfortable with that because that's just exponent rules. Let's keep going. It's going to get worse, of course. So I can cancel something out if it is being multiplied in on both the top and the bottom. So look back here actually for a minute. What I had was 4 times 3x's and 5 times 5x's, and I was taking out this big invisible 1 and this big invisible 1 and this big invisible 1 because I was multiplying by a 1. X over x is just equal to 1. I could cancel those right out. Over here, is there anything being multiplied into the top and multiplied into the bottom that I can cancel? And the answer is no. This is a trick question. There is nothing to simplify here. This is done. There's nothing to take out, nothing to cancel. You cannot cancel these x's here. Beware. Notice how 18 over 6, hopefully you already know that's equal to 3, right? I could write this as 3 times 6 over 1 times 6. I know 6 divided by 6 is 1, so this is really 3 times 1, it's 3. Checks out. If I wrote this instead of as 3 times 6, but as 3 plus 15 and 3 plus 3, and I did very bad math and thought that I could split this into a 3 over 3 plus 15 over 3. You can't do that for real life, you guys. Bad example. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now all of a sudden 18 divided by 6 is 6. We don't like it. So we cannot break up a fraction if it was being added together. Adding is changing the value, right? But multiplying by 1 is not changing the value. So we're all good to cancel something that's multiplied on the top and multiplied on the bottom. Let's take a look. On this, it might not initially look like there's anything we can cancel, so let's see if we can take out any greatest common factors. 2x plus 8, we could take a 2 out of. And now this is an x plus 4. So imagine that this is in fact a x plus 4, 2 over x plus 4. What's being multiplied up here on this top? Sort of a secret little 1. There's always a secret 1 being multiplied by everything. And now x plus 4 is being multiplied on the top and the bottom. You can cancel it right out and we're left with 1/2. Isn't that wild?